Wena Mzansi, igama lami uX. Mzansi ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi mina amandla ami ahleze ephepheni. Yabona abangiphathele iphepha kanje uthi X nangu umuntu uyangithwagela, nangu umuntu ungithatha advantage, nangu umuntu uyangibhula. Sondela la kimi ihlale phansi officeini. Niyekela into indaba za ku social media. iX report ngeke uyithole ku social media. Ungithinde kule number lena, ufuna ukukhuluma nami one on one, amaphepha akho mawaphelele. Sizoyithoma and sizoyifetha. Assignment officeini. Siyokuthi vandag sisiza bani, simsiza kanjani. Asigijimeni. Kunjani ndaba?
Kuhle.
Bangena ngathi ungena kwa doctor yini bafana right? Uthukiwe yini?
Hayi ake hantle molinda.
Kingi khwetsa bafana.
Dinengxaki emoto.
Oh.
Since indise imoto kuma clinica 2023 ngoMarch. Nangoku uyandisokolisa ukuthi ngithwale imoto yami.
So wena umbhadele?
Ndimvatele imoto bethe itop.
Okay.
Mayibethe itop imoto kwenzakala ukuthi itop asifumani. Wathi sithenge isingcono sithenge i-engine. Wathi masithi sizothenga i-engine wathi kunendawo ayaziyo ukuthengiswa kuze i-engine igama lalo ndawo MYM. Okay sile safika sayithenga i-engine. Sabuya nayo i-engine wayifaka ndayiva imoto yaduma. Nini athi okay iyaduma kusenento omela azilungise. Nini makumele ndithi ndoyijonga uyikhiphile le engine ayisekho. Manje ngibuza ukuthi ikhiphile le engine athi nangeka kheniki engine esiqhubeka ukuyithenga ungcono ayibuyisele lena. Manje fika sekethenga enye engine.
Ngokhona ubungqina babo uyithengile le engine bophi ubufumana phi?
Ngingenabo ubungqina ndibone nethi engine enye azenayo.
Uyibona njani ba yakho yithi?
Hayi le bese ndibona ukuthi akusiyiyo le yami. Le yami leya uyibuyisele emva besithenge khona uMYM. Uyibuyisele emva.
Ngoku lapha ngoku uthi ke mina ke bhuti ke ndibonele le nto.
Bhuti mina ndicela uncedo apha ukuthi ndifumane imoto yami, ndifumane nemali yami kubo ngani because of nemoto yami ndiyabona no West Triple.
Oh.
Manje ndithetha nayo uzama ukundibuyisa. So ngoku mina ninawo amandla ukuthi ndingamane ndibisana nabantu.
Engubani yena?
Ubungani Dlamini.
Wamfa ngabani ba uyasebenza ubungani?
Ubungani une workshop eCarltonville, sihlala eCarltonville sonke. Okay une workshop alungisela kuyo imoto. Kuno bhuti esihlala section A1 uhamba ngeAstra. And then nami imoto yami Astra. Wanguye vela ngicela ukuthi umuntu embona right for ukuthi angalungisa le moto ukuthi naye iyakhe mayinengxaki uyisa kuye ndayithatha ke nami sayisa pha kuye.
Ngokona xa usithi ufuna imoto yakho uthini ke yena?
Uyofuna ukundibuyisa bhuti.
Ngelithini ke ngoku because umbhadela musa?
Ngixelela ukuthi mina ndiyamncamisa. Ngoku ndimbuza umbuzo wami ukuthi unqamisa njani indoda ukuthi imoto since imoto is been now 4 years no. Since 2023 ngoMarch uMarch udlule no 4 years isikuni imoto yami kuye.
Ngoku sathi siyofika pha sifumana imoto but it's stretchy way into sizawuthini ke bhuti?
Hey shabhuti ngicela uncedo ukuthi mina ngithole imoto yami ngithole nemali yami. If imoto yami engakukhona ukuthi ayibuyisele ndawo ingakhona ndaze bhuti ukuthi dingenza njani.
Khomba bathini abakhona bafete. So le 14,100 yeyantoni ke yona?
Engine. Kule 14,100 beye engine. So into yenzeka apha ukuthi emanzi sendimse ecourt eSmall Clean Court. Into ayenzileyo uye wandifakela 3,000 wabuya wazondifakela 4,000. Ndiyambuza ukuthi ndoda imali amayifaka kancinci so angeke nisakhona ukuthi ndiyenze lo msebenzi bekumele yawenza. Kusuke lapho zangaphinda sayifake enye imali akasafuni kungoku uzade nithatha isigqibo ukuthi ngcono ndize ngapha ndizocela.
Welcome back to the channel, family. And today's story is one that stretches across an incredibly long and painful timeline. Because we're not talking about a mechanic dragging his feet for a few weeks or even a few months. We're talking about 3 entire years of a man being separated from his own vehicle, trapped in a cycle of excuses, delays, and what looks like deliberate sabotage from the very person who was supposed to fix the problem in the first place. So here's what happened. A man takes his car to a mechanic 3 years ago, and to this day, he still hasn't gotten his car back. Let that sink in for a moment, family. 3 years. That's long enough for a child to go from being a toddler to starting school. That's long enough for so much of life to move forward, while this man's vehicle sits somewhere, supposedly being worked on. The mechanic informs him the car needs a new...
So eyona mali akubamba yona imalini ngoku?
Ngoku imali eshiyekile kuye yi-7,000 ngemoto.
Okay, but nditshele eliphephe ndiverifye and then again sakufonela.
Okay.
Ukhona yena ngoku?
Ukhona.
Singamfumana straight?
Yes, singamfumana.
Nyani?
Nyani.
Sakufonela bhuti. Hamba hlo.
Inkosi ndiyabulela.
Enkosi bhuti. Sondert. Wat sê? Layout jy ken en layout. Uyifrostana kanjani? And then ichithi?
Bawenda bazini. I-engineer abarona then I think ibalance sele 6000.
Manje yini ichithi ke ungamkayi nyuku?
Ngilo director.
Awuthiyami, khuluma ukuthi wayisila.
Nilana khoza ngicela uzoncedo kuwe ubongani akasafuna unika imali yami akasafuna imoto yami istripulile khona ngoku into ezininzi into azikhiphile emotweni yami into endifuna bongani ndifuna imoto yami indade ke batla koloi yaka sekusebata nkulu ake awuncane kufile nakwekhaya ke 4 years inokoloi yake lo wena
lo kwa ke ke ipatala
o patala dikinyana o qetetse ne mompatala umpathe sina kwena ngeketswa khoto fela ho twa mo zangwa phetho batla mompatala ha ke batla ni itsaka o yang rants indade ntho ke se batla no ke batla koloi yaka ke batla shelter ke o buleletsa a hopola ke le ka o bulela ka re ke tla lata x a ke o bulela ka re ke tla o kenya x wa reng wena
betse go
ga bona braka ntho batlang o bolela o nyatsitsa ho da sa ke end up ile hore ke latile x is not for ka o tshaba bonse but ke eng o thiaka game e tlalang ke slim for yona yabo wena o batla o nnoka ntho x braka mthomtho ba batlang o yetsa o na batla ke qetetse ke bolwanne a end up a sentse etsang o batla ho nnoka ke slim bonks ke strike tla dile disk ke ne batla ho bontsha ke tlo kena spike 2 se ke se batlang ke batla shelter ka le koloi ya ka no fela whatever ntshitseng koloi ya ka kopa khutse koloi ya ka today ke tsatsi la hao ba batla koloi ya ka
ba ke lo ikopantsha ka speed and then
we kopanyane ha ona nako ke batla no ha ona nako
ke re no I it's a phone call ya shelter is stress
it's a jwala o ntso hlolwa ke nyenta
Okay, before manje why wena manje mele ukuthi manje kuze kufika uX ukuthi dade ni solve
no sesa court then ngoba ne flop ukuthi ngiye ngalahlekelwa ugogo emakhaya so financially ngiloko ngekho mnandi ebona mara ngathi ngiyapick up no nyanga yesithu ngathi
asondele kule car leya ungitshela ukuthi kahle kahle why ingalungi manje le car leya
ifuna engine
i-engine sithengile alithi wena wenze ukuclever wena i-engine besithengile wayibuyisela back
asene karini madoda asene karini and I don't want to lose my temper seniyenze scrap manje le car leya
bona khitshi izipili manje ngafika ngana ngapha ngaphakathi mawuzohlajola imoto yami ayistripuli wikedile imoto yami ujonga ukugcwele nje uhlakadlaka bona kidi cover bona mokwenza la mali tontsha zoma ko workshop bona mali
bathozwa kanjani ndoda
amadiri bawakhiphile kusana namadiri yonke into ikhichiwe amadiri wakhiphile amadiri emoto yami likuphi idiri lemoto yami
even call
liphume njani etrathini imoto yami ngekho ingxaki yami ngekho semavirini ayikho kuma ignition akhichiwe imoto yami ingaphambili
ayakhula le mali neyakhula le mali
dakuxelela mamela dakuxelela ndathi yabona dakuxelela ndathi yabona ba mina la ngikhulele khona mina
afuna ngayiphambili
mina
khipani ododi wenu lana mani kanti yini manje lento eniyenzayo
dakuxelela ndathi
nenza le moto scrap manje
Inga 4 years yonke ukunika ichance uyanblame ngalento enzakalayo ngoku uyanblame mama
awublame
4 years yonke ukunika ichance ingakazi wayenza so mina apha ngikhulele khona kuthiwa inja ungayibulali ngesandla sakho inja uyibopha ngentambo ento izisonke yona kuzagqibela sekusona
awuthami abatshele bafake itayera kule car le
engine and together they go to MYM to purchase a replacement engine to install into the vehicle. Now, here's where I want to speak from personal experience for a moment, because this part of the story
genuinely surprised me. The mechanic later claims that the engine purchased is not right, suggesting there's a problem with what MYM sold them. But speaking honestly, from my own experience, I have personally bought 2 engines from this very company, based in Alberton, for my own vehicles, and I have never had a single problem with them. I know this company, I've dealt with them directly, and their reputation, at least in my own dealings, has always been solid. So when this mechanic starts claiming their engines are faulty or not right, that immediately raises a red flag in my mind, because either this is a rare, unfortunate exception, or
le engine yakudala ngathi wathi sibuyisele le engine yakudala sibuyisele le engine yakudala le enye engine le was wrong ile ngale side
yabona ex-Bram yabona Bram ngiyakubonisa ne-slip ne-engine number le engine le sibesithengile akusiyiyo yena uthathe le engine besithengile e-right bayifakile emotweni yaduma imoto then yena wabona ukuthi wathatha ntoni le engine wayibuyisela back le wathatha enye engine ndingekho mina ndingazi Bram le engine azenayo i-wrong le imoto i-Astra 1.6 i-1.6
engine times vana sabhaye engine only to find out ukuthi le engine leyana ayikho sharp sayibuyisele MYM masibuyisele MYM ba engine leyathi le car le abayitholi so mina ngayithola elsewhere i-engine ngathi mangiyithola le engine lena only to find out ukuthi leyana is not an import engine as fine lena ami pick up sensor i-wrong so masibe siyifaka isi-starter i-cranker kuphela ayidu so whereas the other one ibiduma mara ibine engine problem ibine misfire ngathi no since le engine leyana inganada yele ibuy as is mina ngizoyirefund sen kwaba nendawo ukuthi sigidise sigijima ikhoti ngilo ngihafa kancane kancane then ngaba neflop ukuthi ngicela ngasabi nini
manje uyothinta ama-ignition manje
no
amatayera sokuthinta
ignition iyayava elsewhere we thought it was an electrical problem. I was very certain ukuthi it was an electrical problem sayisa elsewhere for umhlakazi ngithi siyoyilungisa indawo umhlakazi bafike lapha abayikhipha ignition ikhona bayikhipha abafuna ukuchecka ukuthi where is the fault only yibo labagcina batshela ukuthi no these engines i-pick up sensor ayispark. That's when we
in the meantime angitshelele ukuthi bangifakela amatayera la ngoba le moto lena ngihamba nayo there's no ukuthi ngayiyekela la iselana inamatayera ayisenamatayera inepile ayisenapile ama-ignition acacekile
le moto ngokuthi westart beyi-ona uyibona ukuthi iya-ona imoto mayizayisa into endifuna kuwe boss ndifuna whatever ikhiphe le moto yami imoto yami i-one dawo ingakhona cause wafuna ngizoyithatha iso wathi ifikathi le ignition zakhona zisasebenzi
singayifaka ibhetri isa-on. Then I'm saying it to go. It's not a problem. Sing I find it. Check what is our own.
Kuaka bounce. Kubulele manel. Kubulele zakire. Abona da wonya tsitse nkating uthiaka. Wenda wonya tsitse nkating. Uthiaka is not offer like le ex ka rene go tshaba. Le tsa go tshabe braya go. Ba to tsebe le yo ntho utwa braya. Snarnete kelelo lo tla ka yona. Ke sele mo feta wena. Ke sele mo feta wena braya. Wena ntho no batla noka wena. Eno ka sennoki se ke se batlang to di brother ke batla whatever it's going to ya ka o ikeng eno gopola go buleletse le pele ka bula ka tlo kenya x a gopola go buleletse
ka gopola ba re time and
wa tsane ke batletsa bru ka ne ke batla go bontsha bru ba re ya bona ke bru ka uthia ka so uthia ka se yabo so le go zamme o lata straight ke ka out to out but wena nje nka ke ka step aka step uthia ka aka step uthia ka nke tse mohlwenta go la ke mohlwenta uthia ka se ke se batlang today
akilwane lo
bayithi bapinele re amahlathi apheli la kusele khona ucaca cela whatever iphuma kobuleletsa uthiyaka
ke tlo va ke lo etsa dithago then di cover akitso ke batla go fund yang ke za mo romela tšhelete tla
romela tšhelete o kenye sele sa ka sa koloi ya ka no
so a tsa ka mo gona no re tsa swanga ra enga koloi ena re wetse wa swang gape nna ke tlesifa ke tlonka koloi binyo and ke tlo munu kungele because of the cover tsa dipila a ke di bone di what a ke di bone success boning ke nyusa tšhelete ara wa tse ke nyisa pleke
jwalo
ke nyisa pleke
no irede ngizabe benza before ba bekade ukukhuluma ngena ngithi okay inyoko ngizomgaya then sekuzoshode yamakhawa
akona nix esalanti nje ke batla whatever selisaka
ke ya di cover wena o tlamplela go ke bokae ke
hayi siyi-check-a manje amakhafu.
Okay. And then amatayara khona.
Good ignition o di kgutlisitse braka koloi ya ka e fediwe e qetile boss
hayi a tla ile sone.
ke kopa o re bulela ka morao ka mole re shebe ra go na le spare wheel se ka mole kenye le petri ya ka ntho engwe le engwe e leng ya koloi ya ka ke a e batla
a se bolele mofa o tsama.
o tla go zame o bontsha bo autiba
More likely, this is a convenient excuse being used to explain away delays that have nothing to do with the engine at all, and everything to do with the mechanic's own handling of the situation. And this is exactly why the mechanic decides to, in his own words, play his cards differently. And to this day, nobody truly knows what was actually done to that engine during this process. That vagueness, that lack of transparency over such an extended period is deeply concerning. Because when someone avoids clearly explaining what work was done or what the actual issue is, especially over the course of 3 long years, it usually means there's something being hidden rather than genuinely worked through. Then Mr. X arrives to investigate, and what they discover is honestly heartbreaking. The car isn't just sitting there unfinished, it's been completely stripped. The door panel is gone.
Right now, today.
Braga go zame o bontsha gore ke out ya o tshaka go gaya chance braga nka jwala ka sethini ena go boleletse braga ka re braga ke go etsa braga ka sethini ena ka bolela ka re go kenya x go jane makoshi o isa ngo kwa motsotsi
Come on. Bro, get a price here now, okay?
jwalo braga ana
1.4, sesi 1. 1.4 sesi 1. Amakava wale car le. Ma Y2 is 2.8. Modi amang.
modi ma 7,000 ya
Ke 10 no. Give me more 10 no.
a so buka spewile ba ka le spewile braga ke batla di area le le go le na le area ba tla ntwe mo le ngwe le mo go le
Yena ntshekele area ke bukae mo.
a bona fanda ha ona chance go boleletse.
Okay, asenze njani nje ukuze singalokho. It will by hour we I don't know if it's possible.
No, anginale hour uthami. Ufrazi ukuthi ubusele itayera udonsele moto utransferele ngibani. Anginale hour. So itayera wona manje.
Athi ufuna ukulokho nje, ufuna abafake izinto lezi.
No, my connection ilete.
Ayonke into khona phakathi.
Sinotsho ukuthi manje ndiza kuwa uthiyami ukuthi ndisisithipha ndiza ukuthi because of now i-out yimona kumele ndivuse omnye udala ungathi mawubona i-out iwile ufuna ukuyinyathelela mayi-out mayiwile baba ngesandla iphakamisa
Ya mara manje ngofuna manje phela le. Kuba ngiya manje.
mara ke ratse ya go ona mabidi a tshwana le ona
Di bua ka dikao. Yes.
Endot afake itayera noma yiliphi ukuthi ikwazi ukugibela. Aningivulele lapho madoda itsaka isondele. Ngoba asinalanga lonke phela la.
Okay, sure.
Ayisondele the truck.
enye into engayiboniyo ex apha ithophe mo
It's not those ones. Those are the wrong ones.
hayi asiyona thophe le batla sini batse ba thopa ke ne shule di develop tse kae ne shule develop tse 4 so ba palamisa jwang top kole yake bothata ba bo skata ka strong wa tseba le ya hopola
Ukushi. Umile umsebenzi.
nna ke batla maviri a transfer mas ma transfer ya ka botse asta ka transfer maviri a sa tshwaneng if mfa maviri o fe maviri a 5 a tshwanang kaofela ke yona ntho tla etsa fela mme di ka wetsa go ke theole mo if le teng tla o theole ya pro a ke tse dilo bothata oh ke re ke batla madi oh ntsha koloi okay ha ina bothata re butsa a ka ema wena ke bua le motho a ke a bua le wena motho a bua le yena ke ba ka ba tlo tsosetsa uti ya hao e etsa ke wa bra re ke na taba tsa ka lwena
whatever it is this what you let to do them fat
iya yabona danke bra
navumelana manje nezani manje
sivumelana ngathi indaba no lo bru wakho ufuna ungena indaba engazingeni angazaziyo
yamona umufile account
unaliyo
aloke le thelete phela faka itayela labana madoda awusenentambo mkhulu sidonsa ngaphansi le moto.
The battery is missing, the ignition system has been removed, even the wheels are gone. But the core issue, the original reason this whole nightmare began, the engine, remains the central unresolved problem. This car has essentially been cannibalized for parts over 3 years, piece by piece, while the owner was left waiting, trusting, and completely unaware of just how much of his vehicle had been dismantled and likely sold off or used elsewhere. Despite all of this, Mr. X handles the resolution fairly and directly. The remaining balance owed to the mechanic is 7,000 Rand, and the components that were stripped from the car are valued at 1,800 Rand. The owner ends up paying the full amount owed, and the car, in its current stripped condition, is taken back as it is. Now, let's address the criticism here plainly, because
3 years is an unacceptable amount of time to hold on to someone's vehicle.
Awuthamba indaba ezenyuka
yathi manje sikhathi
shota
uma dmiri bodi
no lokho nje mavini nespare wheel then ekhava ukuthi leyatholakala amakhasi
mina amakhava mawutholakele ngicela ukwabona mawangekho ngifuna ukuthi uthumezele imali manje phela ngisebenza wona uyiwani yeah iSouth Africa ibhaya imali emini so ukuyikho manje wona transfer imali
itrilo nakusibone le picture
na ipicture ngibonile lapha yani ipicture okay senda le mali epicture faka imali yamakhava
na ipicture khona
good faka imali yamakhava manje umtransferele ngithathele moto
man so la makhava lawa
Pitoko ungitshela ngamakhava kusamele ukuthi alando le ngikhuluma ngento yamanje
I prefer Umela yona yesco.
Sure.
So wait, Umela it la letter 95 for the 1.8.
Mina ngazi 1.8. Mina ngazi 1.8. So kufanele ukuthi ungangiphathisi. So ufake 1.8 ufake nale balance kombamba yona uthathe le moto ngani. Ukumeke ingeni la.
So ngibone isitebuli zama ngathi azikho nazo.
Sizathatha ezinye apha zikhona. Ufuna uba imoto igibele.
780.
Unbox
0.5. It's in this thing number 10. Yes, akafuni kwenzinye payment. What if must kuphuma singawugqiba ukuhamba. Mawugqiba ukuphuma so angayi reverse.
Hayi mara mayingeni icheck ukuthi ingenile lokho.
Ayikangangeni ku.
Kebiteka
Tindi check, reki check.
Usiphanisa yini manje?
Netbank.
Kanti wayengenzanga immediate.
No, ngithi kuyilokhu nje. Na proof of payment ngenza.
Wayengenzanga immediate.
Because of what if mawugqiba ukuhamba ayi reverse.
Never reverse Kebiteka.
Awuthama uyenze in immediate or in?
Mara
we reverse la ukuthi manje uyenza mina isiphukuphuku.
I reverse Kebiteka. Mama nthi uyaphakathi reverse.
Wenzakala.
Shaka kuna tsone se khifihla mo kunya nga shaka ku jeka bonza. Ene ntwe ngichaza ngoro go buleletse go kwetsa. Eka kanje.
Yeah, keep him good.
Masikhiphe bhuti, masikhiphe.
Right, bojaphuma. Mele ngiyikhiphe le khaya.
Ayaphuma.
Gogo, usiva njani ngoku?
Hayi Brian. Khululekile emoyeni.
Yeah.
Kunento esukileyo mama.
Usive njani ngoku uyawufika eofisini nami?
Oh, ukuzifika kwami office uqala ukudibana ubone ubuso bakho bhuti wami.
Yeah.
Engathi ngibona izulu.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngibone ngene ikanana.
Yeah.
Ngathi unkosi. Simakade.
Yeah.
UNguThixo.
Eish.
Ungimavula kuvalile.
Eish. Eish.
Brian,
Eish.
andazi ukuthi irekibuwe ka Sesotho Brian.
Yeah, hantle.
Brian. Ke a leboha ka tsohle Brian. O modimo le fatsheng Brian.
Eish. Yeah, no.
Braga mathata ne ke na le wona 4 years Brian. Ke zamme ka hohle se ke se kgonang pate Brian.
Enza pizza ujikeleza.
Angijikeleza.
And come on, can
Under the excuse of ongoing repairs, especially when the actual outcome reveals a car that's been stripped rather than properly restored. Blaming a reputable supplier for supposed faulty parts when there's no clear evidence to support that claim, especially when personal experience with that same supplier tells a very different story, suggests
Ka mona o tla koloi ya ka Braga. Pate Braga ntse ke batlang hore wena ke a leboha. Ntse ka bua no. Mawathiso lo mathambo ex ugqibile umsebenzi. Jezi number 10.
Danka
La
uJabu.
uhamba khona kuvelini. Ungimavula kuvaliwe insimbi edlezinye.
Danka uJabu.
Bayithoma wayifix.
Danka uJabu.
Amen.
Andimele extra.
Thank you.
Gqibile. Yangibetha futhi. And ke kaphinde ndamove bawuthini. Uthetha nami xa isithi X bendiyazi ba imini yami yeza nami. Ba undibonelela. Andinomyeka kaloku. There's only one X. Uzokhuluma
this excuse was more about covering up mishandling and possibly parts removal for personal gain, rather than an honest account of what actually went wrong. The educational lesson here is important for anyone dealing with long-term vehicle repairs. If your car has been with a mechanic for an unreasonably extended period, request written updates regularly. Ask for photos or video evidence of the ongoing work, and if delays stretch beyond a reasonable time frame with vague or shifting explanations, it's time to escalate and seek outside intervention before more parts or more of your investment disappears entirely. 3 years is far too long to wait, and this story is proof that patience without accountability can quietly cost people everything, piece by piece, without them ever fully realizing it until it's almost too late. That's it for today's commentary, family. Drop your thoughts below on how you'd handle a mechanic holding your car for this long, and I'll see you in the next Infinity Breakdown.